Find and download 3D CAD models of the circuit protectors you need from Mechanical Products Company. See how easy it is to get a custom product right from the website. From Mechanical Products Company's homepage, click Access Product Configurator and 3D Models. Narrow down by product series and configure the product to meet your specifications. Meanwhile, the configurator generates the accurate part number for your custom part. On the right, you can move, zoom, and rotate the part within the 3D viewer to see the design in up-close detail. When you're happy with the product, click the CAD Download tab. You can also download a 3D PDF datasheet in case you don't have CAD access. Let's download a CAD file. Click Add Formats. Here you can choose from over 150 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works natively in your CAD software. Then, click Start Generation. It's that easy. For more circuit breakers and custom products, visit Mechanical Products Company's website and check out partsolutions.com to learn more about online configurators and native CAD downloads.